Earning money from Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange typically involves trading or investing in cryptocurrencies. Here are a few steps you can follow to potentially earn money on Binance. Educate yourself. Start by learning about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how cryptocurrency markets work. Familiarize yourself with different trading strategies and investment principles. Create a Binance account. Visit the Binance website and create an account. Complete the registration process, including verification if required. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your Binance account. Binance supports various cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, so choose the option that suits you best. Research. Conduct thorough research on the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Analyze their historical price data, market trends, news, and any other relevant information. This research will help you make informed decisions. Choose a trading strategy. Decide on your trading strategy, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Each strategy has its own risks and rewards, so choose one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Start trading. Use the Binance trading platform to execute your trades. You can place market orders, buy/sell at the current market price, or limit orders, set a specific price at which you want to buy/sell. Risk management. Implement risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and taking profits at predetermined levels. Stay informed. Stay up to date with the latest news, market trends, and regulatory changes that may impact the cryptocurrency market. This information will help you make better trading decisions. Practice good security. Protect your Binance account by enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, and using a strong, unique password. Be cautious of phishing attempts and avoid sharing your account details with anyone. Continuously learn and adapt. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and can be unpredictable. Stay open to learning, adapt your strategies as needed, and be prepared to adjust your approach based on market conditions. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies involves risks, and there's no guarantee of profit. It's important to start with small amounts, use only the funds you can afford to lose, and never invest more than you're willing to risk. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.